day I moved to Calico Street, I rang my neighbor's doorbell. I just wanted to say hello. That was the day I learned to be afraid.
Well, hello there, neighbor.
What do you want?
Hey, Max, somebody listen. I couldn't hear you. Oh, were you expecting company? Oh, my husband's coming, but I can just tell him.
Do you realize what you could be doing now? They've been hunting me since I was a child. And I've been hiding them for far too long for you to give me away right now.
Maybe we should just come back some other time. I mean, I hate to be a bother.
They hunting packs. They latch onto you with their claws, and they dig at your very soul. And then they feed on your breath until you turn blue. And they lap up your blood. And they
Oh, it's just Max. Goodness, Max. You scared the life out of me. Oh, God.
They're here! Barricade the door!
I don't understand. What's out there? What could do something like this?
The only creature who could do something like this!
Cats.
Cats. Let's go! Let's go! No. I've been preparing for this moment my whole life, and I'm not going down without a fight. Yes. You know how to handle that thing?
Dad taught me how to spritz the plants in the window box.
You'll have no problem then. Only difference is, these plants want to claw your face off.
Are they gone?
No. They're inside the house. Now you got to go. I only got a few shots left in here. It's me they're after. I'll cover you. You gotta go. You go!
She saved my life that day, and I got as far away from Calico Street as I could. But they have a taste for me now. Just like my neighbor, I know I will always be hunted.